Alright, so it has been a couple days, I guess almost 5 days, since I installed Winhance, and I'm finding this bug where the search bar in Windows does not work. So I'm actually currently typing on my keyboard, and the type to search is not working at all. Even this Windows icon search is not working at all. So the first step to fixing it would be pressing Windows R, and then click or type CMD. This is actually your command prompt. Don't click enter yet because you need to go into the admin of command prompt, not just the normal command prompt for the user. So for that, you do Control, Shift, and enter. Once you see this pop up, click yes. So over here, you're going to type in the following: ctfmon.exe. Click enter. After that, test it out. In my case, it still didn't work. And what we're going to do is we're going to try restarting our Windows machine. Currently just restarted our Windows machine, and let's try again. Okay, so it's still not working. Now we're going to move on to method number 2, and that is to go to your settings. So click on settings. If you don't have settings in your taskbar, you right click on the Windows icon and find settings right here. So we're going to go all the way down to the privacy and security. Over here, we're going to look down for the searching windows. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to scroll all the way down to related settings. Click on advanced indexing options, and you should be seeing this. What you do is that you click advanced. Again, I'm the admin of this current session, so I'm able to bypass this. If you're not, try logging in to the admin of your laptop or your machine. And what you're going to do here now, after you clicked on advanced, so you're going to click on rebuild. You're going to see this notification, you press OK. Then you're going to look right here. And you got to wait until it's all been indexed properly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually restart my laptop. I restarted my Windows machine. Just go and type. Oh, it's working. Okay, now the thing with Winhance is that it also installs a task scheduler. So you're going to type in task scheduler. I already have it pinned to my start, so that's how I see it. We're going to click open. You click under task schedule library. You see all these folders. Click on Winhance. Okay. So Winhance creates in my case, I think in most cases, creates 3 different startup tasks. Currently, you see that I actually did not make this on startup. So every time your laptop starts up, these tasks, which have scripts in them, start and remove any bloatware or, for example, Edge. So if you have Windows Edge that's installed after a Windows update, the script will run in the background and will remove it. Same thing with OneDrive. So I tested out a bit before, and I disabled bloatware removal. And because I thought it was mostly the reason why my search was not working. But it seems like the Edge removal or the OneDrive removal is a script that's messing up with the Windows search. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to disable these. Now it's up to you if you want to disable them or not, but if you don't disable it, you'll have to do the same steps I mentioned, or the 2 different methods that I mentioned every single time once you shut down your laptop or machine and restart. So I'm just going to go on ahead and disable this. Both of them. What I'm going to do actually is go to triggers at startup, and we can see here that it's still enabled. So we're going to disable it here as well. You're going to click OK. Same thing over here. So I'm going to click on at startup, and then we're going to click on triggers, and then we're going to click on, you see it's enabled. We're going to click here, double click. We're going to click this icon off, and we're going to press OK.